Alright, so if you've been trying to dry fast 2 days and then do OMAD or one meal a day for the rest of the week, this information is going to help you out. So what I found doing that, dry fasting 2 days a week, is that I started to neglect the really seriously important part of rehydration. If you've ever watched like Naked and Afraid or anything like that, when people go without water or hydration for a while, they suddenly get really bad leg cramps in their calves and stuff, and it's like debilitating. It's really hard. So I'd been doing this about, I don't know, 6 to 7 weeks in a row, and I started to get lazy. So I thought, oh, I could come off of my dry fast by just drinking juice or anything at all, and sometimes not even drinking at all. I would just go straight to eating. So I had a flight. I had to go to the States, and it was shortly after I finished my last dry fast before the flight, and my legs cramped up so bad it wasn't even funny. And I had places to walk, and it was really difficult walking everywhere, and the pain is excruciating. It's incredible. So the way from now on, the way I come off of that is I'm going to be taking lots of baking soda and water, and I'm going to take my time. You can't come off of a dry fast and just assume that you haven't done a fast at all. So you have to come off of a dry fast slow. Anybody will tell you who does this all the time that the important part of a fast is coming off of the fast. And I forgot that after doing that like 6, 7 times in a row. You start to get complacent, right? So you start to think, oh, this isn't affecting me like everybody else. Well, it will. So from now on, I think I'm going to take a whole tablespoon of baking soda. The Red Mill stuff is what I use, and then I'm going to dump that into like a liter of water and drink that, and then I'm going to drink maybe some of my special water. I have a YouTube video. So also I could try snake juice after that, and then go back to more baking soda and water, and then take like 24 hours to come off of the dry fast instead of jumping off of it as quick as I did. Now the odd thing is my wife was doing everything with me, and she never had any problems. But we're all different, right? So, word of warning, it was extremely painful, and I haven't done it in like a month or more. So I'm waiting for my body to totally recover, and then I'll jump right back into it again. Right now it's kind of really hard to do because we have 2 weekends in a row booked, so we're going to be busy for that whole time. But I hope this helps everybody. Don't go through that pain that I went through. It was really hard. So make sure you come off your dry fast long and slow with lots and lots and lots of fluids. I can't express that enough. You need lots of fluids. Your body's dehydrated, and you need to get back up, and it's an acidosis and everything else because you're in ketosis, and you just got to get your levels all back to normal before you go and start eating and stuff, right? Because it's not over until you get rehydrated. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye for now.